Hi everyone, Melissa here from Mo Creations, coming on today with hashtag Two Crafters One Design, hosted by myself, Mo Creations, Girliest Cards, which is Gloria, and UCY I'm a Diva, which is Lisa. Each week we bring you a theme. This week's theme is Angel. Next week's theme will be anything Christmas. So you will have the chance to enter any of your Christmas projects that you're working on, and make sure you also enter that into hashtag Satmore Makes, which is hosted by Jillian Norwood. So this week I am using the Paper Studio Gems. I used a few of those. Winter Angel Wings, and this is by My Creative Time, and I'm using these here. Also from My Creative Time, I'm using the Trio Cute Bow Dies, and I believe I'm using this one here from Cuttlebug, and this is Retro Kitchen. I'm using this embossing folder. And from Spellbinders, I am using, I want to say these are called Arch something or other, Essential Arches. That's what I'm using from there. And then also from Spellbinders, I'm using this Glimmer set, and it's called Christmas Die and Glimmer Sentiments. And here goes this card that I created. I really like how it turned out. I thought I would use dark blue behind the wings, and then I also put vellum on the wings, and I accented the snowflakes with those little gold gems, as well as that bow there. Really cute. I wanted to bring out some of that gold that was in here. I found this first, so I thought that was perfect. It says joy to one and all, and then there goes the inside of the card. So really cute. I hope you have the chance to enter in on our collabs, and if so, make sure you join this week for the wings, and then next week we have anything Christmas. That's all I have for you. Thanks so much, everyone. You all have a blessed and crafty day.